Here's a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Take on more with this SUV that's every bit as ambitious to get you to the summit as it is to cut down on consumption. Its aerodynamic exterior and advanced Xtronic continuously variable transmission are a credit to that. The all-mode four-wheel drive takes you over tough terrain, but also knows how to cut back consumption when you're on civilized roads. The Easy Flex seating system featuring latch and glide, tri-zone climate control, and advanced drive assist display make any ambition possible.
No one will complain about the temperature with the dual-zone climate control. Heated mirrors mean never worrying about ice obstructing your view. Get your daily vitamin D by opening up the sunroof.
Get behind the wheel of this Pathfinder and start your adventure.
At Jenkins Nissan, honesty is our policy. We're conveniently located at 4401 State Route 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.